Hi, it's Marianne. Today we're going to cook pinto beans. I was going to make quesadillas or tacos. Then I changed my mind because I realized that I really wanted to make taco pizza, but I need refried beans. So, what I'm going to do, I got my Instant Pot right here. One cup. And my motto is always, if you're going to do beans, make more than what you think, because you can always put them in the freezer. There's 2 cups. What do I got here? 3 cups. 4 cups of bean. All right. So that was about 1.42 pounds. So that's not bad. So I have 4 cups of beans in here. Can you turn the water on for me, please? Put the spigot over here. Yeah, so I can have it over here. Oh. There we go. My helper. Yes, I said yes. So, no. Okay, stop. So we got 4 cups of beans. So it's a 2-to-1 ratio. 2 cups of water to 1 cup of beans. So there's 2. Cool. There's 4. 6. And 8. And my pressure, I'm not over my max. So this is good. So I have 4 cups of kidney or what did I get? Beans. Pinto beans. 4 cups of pinto beans and 8 cups of water. And that's all I'm putting in my Instant Pot. If you don't have one of these, this is the best reason to have one. If you do have one and it's in your cupboard getting all dusty, get it out. You can make beans and rice, big batches. Use what you're going to use today, cool the others down, freeze it. So now over here, it says beans, and it comes on. Okay. Sometimes you just have to unplug it and plug it back in. Beans. And I like to go an hour because I want to make sure they're done. Okay. So there we go. That's all there is to it. Oh, my computer goes to sleep and I can't see myself. What is the matter? Hey, hi, I'm recording. I just got done making creating video for so now we're taking off from where I had left off. I had to go sneeze and I didn't think you folks would want to hear that. Anyhow, I just got done doing a bunch of videos for my goal is to make a taco pizza today. I was out of pizza dough, so I had to make pizza dough, which means I make like 8 dough balls because you make stuff for later. And then I didn't have any refried beans. However, I had just bought some pinto beans and I used my Instant Pot to cook 4 cups of beans because then I can use what I'm going to use today, cool the rest off, and stick them in freezer bags for the freezer. Right now, I've got black beans out in the freezer, and I've got 3, 2, 1. My thing was messing up. I don't know what's going on. Anyhow, so got the pizza dough ready. It's just about ready. Then I had to make taco sauce. So I have leftover pork in the refrigerator that we're going to use up. So the pizza is going to be pizza dough, taco sauce, refried beans, some meat, and cheese. I think I'm going to do cheddar cheese. And then some tomatoes and sliced peppers. It should be quite quite the deliciousness that I'm expecting. Because my goal is if I cook everything from a raw state, put together from a raw state, and I create something from, like I created the pizza dough, I created the refried beans, I created the taco sauce. Well, I like all of those. So if I put them all together, it should equal out a really good meal. That's all I'm getting at. Think ahead, do a few preparatory things, and life can be a lot easier. So anyways, I'm set up in the freezer for soups. Fall's coming, not quite yet, but it'll be here. I mean, it's here, but they say we're gonna have hot weather. So enjoy the video. Thanks for coming along on the ride.
Now I'm recording. From the Instant Pot to my little pot, and I made refried beans.
Yeah, just like that.
Much better. So, I put a little bit of olive oil in with it. I put a little bit of my taco sauce.
Yeah.
And then I put some salt in it. I think that was it. So for our pizza,
Yeah.
I have a little bit of taco sauce in with the pork. And I have a little bit of taco sauce in with the refried beans. And Mike shredded up 2 kinds of shredded cheddar cheese. So I'm going to let this cool down some. And then I'm going to turn the oven on to bake. I think we'll be doing pizza here pretty soon.